I'm here inside GEC in the super admin, and I just want to go down this left-hand dashboard here and just look at some of the features. Inside GEC, we have different curriculum libraries. It's not just course and curriculum libraries, but also the standard libraries. So we can spin up a new one of these libraries for a different partner or a different country, and then any user can have access to just one of these libraries or multiple of these libraries, and we can handle all that in the settings. I believe we already talked about the users in a different video, but here's all the different the tall hierarchy in GEC. We go farther, let's go to the district. We go all the way to the national level, or international level, right? Now inside the classrooms, it doesn't matter what level you are in the user hierarchies. You can come in and you can drill in and you can see, you can filter down and see the classrooms that belong to any user in the system, and you can actually go in here too and see all of the data. So that's for any user in the stack. This is mostly used by our curriculum design team. This is our rapid curriculum development environment, where we just auto-generate problems, auto-generate vocabulary lessons. It's a technology that we've come up with. And this also is a curriculum development environment. This also is curriculum development here. This is where we generate interesting algorithms for controlling how students progress through an adaptive lesson. So here's a lesson with 4 different levels, and we're saying it's a 2-step cycle starting at the A2 level, and here are the rule settings for each step in the cycle with the combinatorics. Like if I pass and I pass, second time I'm going to go to the next level. If I fail and I fail, it's going to give me the same problem the first time, and then it's going to quit bothering me and let me go to the next, right? So we can define, and then we can save these these algorithms, and then we can apply these algorithms into different learning for different learning pedagogy. Networks are a place where like-minded students can join in a group, and rewards systems. We have basically vibes, which are shared student to student, user to user, and then badges, which are delivered by the system. So these are different reward systems. We do have the white labeling here, where GEC disappears and EnglishGate becomes the totally white labeled, even up to your page title and your favicon up here. Everything is editable. We do actually track personalities for psychometrics. We have a SCORM player in here for SCORM lessons. Reservations are interesting, where we can define different programs, and the programs can have a pay gateway, and all of the payment and everything is managed through here. And this is where parents or students can join in a program without ever being managed by a school. It's just self-scheduled. It's just self-enrolled, right? And self-paid. It's like a no-touch system. Marketplaces. GEC has products that are available pretty much anywhere up and down the user stack. Like some products might be only useful at the district or school level, where others are useful at the student level. But the marketplace manages all that. Animated items are part of our engagement world. Error reports are where teachers can look at any problem inside GEC, and they can report against an error they find in a problem or anything. And then we have these progress reports, where it's a pending, it's in progress, and it's done. And whenever an error is reported as done, it sends a message back to the teacher who initiated the report. Games. Actually, I don't know why the games are looking so big here, but we have a whole bunch of games in here, and they can be delivered to the students according to different settings. Okay. Here's a bunch of other settings that are internal to the system. Higher level reports are where we can drill into any user down in here, so that this company, and into this school, into this teacher, right? We can get all the way down to the particular class and particular students and get these re-aggregated reports all the way up the stack, right? So here is the individual student report with a lot of information in it. So I guess the image library, basically every vocabulary word in any lesson also gets saved in an image library, so we can auto-generate vocabulary lessons either for each specific lesson, or we can assemble then a lot of vocabulary support with different elements, all your assets, audio, definitions, example sentences, synonyms, that kind of thing. And finally at the bottom, this is where we do, it's sort of like an AI model sort of sandbox where we will test our different AI solutions before we implement them in the system. So just top to bottom, I wanted to run down and give you an overview of the different systems that are built into GEC.